So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity that is from the Amazon and other companies. So we're gonna provide you the lots of important job update from Amazon, Wells Fargo, and some other hiring. So if you are the recent graduates and if you are searching for job, then this video is gonna important for you. First important opportunity from the Amazon, they are hiring for the role of advocacy operation associate. So this will be your roles and responsibility. You will contribute to project improvement ideas, responsibility to give timeline response, and what are the requirement that you should have bachelor degree and experience with Microsoft Office, means you should have knowledge of MS Office, and just the basic requirement that you should have good communications, both write and reading fluency in English. So this is a wonderful opportunity and any graduate can apply for this wonderful opportunity, and job location will be Hyderabad. Remember, this is a non-technical profile. Okay, next important opportunity from the barcuda, they are hiring for the role of associate threat analyst, and this will be your responsibility. You will prepare, deliver and basic analytical reports, handle, resolve customer cases related to potential threat, and qualification is just not that much, that you should have foundational knowledge of email based threats such as spam, phishing, scam, means you should have aware of these terms, and SMTP, DNS, HTTP, means especially if you are from the EC background, or if you are from CSE background, then still you can apply, but you should have knowledge of all those tech stack they have mentioned, that is SQL, computer network, GitHub repository. You should know how to handle the GitHub, and that's all the stuff. Friends, recently also many candidates got the result of the TCS. We already provided update on my YouTube channel. So first of all, congratulations to all of them. So I will suggest now just one more steps is there, so don't waste your time, utilize this time very well. And if you want to schedule your mock interview, you can fill our form. We will provide you complete guidance and help you to clear the interview. Okay, by the way, if you need free preparation material, just join the group. You will get free preparation material for the interview. Next important opportunity for the location of Noida, and this is a 2-month intern. So if you are interested in this internship role, mean 2026 2025, all can share your resume to this mail ID, and you should start immediately, means you should be capable of starting immediately. Next important for 2025 or 2024 who have some experience, so they are hiring for the role of technical support engineer, AI, ML and cloud. So if you have knowledge of AI, ML and all those stuff, then you can apply for this important opportunity. Next important opportunity from the QA engineer, manual testing, and freshers are eligible for this. Open position is 6+, and it depends on your performance in test that how much salary you will get. And these are some basic requirements. You should have some knowledge of testing tech, that is the Jira, SDLC knowledge, software development lifecycle, and we have already shared the SDLC notes in our group. So that's why I'm saying that you should apply as soon as possible and keep applying for off-campus drive too. Okay, and if you need note, just join the group. Next important opportunity, that is from the Wells Fargo, they are hiring for the role of risk analyst associate. So this is your associate profile, and this is a full-time role, and job location is Hyderabad. Required qualification, I think you can ignore this, these have 6+ month experience, sorry for that. And last important opportunity, that is also for intern, so aspire software development intern. So they are just asking for share your submissions related to GitHub profile and LinkedIn profile and your project. So if you have done some fantastic project, then only there is chance of selection for this. Hope informative to you. Kobe query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.